Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Decide a clear niche for your Yeti character and target audience now. Write a compact content plan for recurring segments and story beats. Set a consistent upload schedule of 2 videos per week to build audience expectation. Prepare reliable gear before shooting. Use a 4K camera at 24 FPS and f/2, 8 lens, and a 3.5 mm external microphone for clear sound. Pack 2 spare batteries and a 64 GB memory card to avoid interlock scenes with simple 3-shot coverage for safety and continuity. Rehearse physical beats slowly to keep the costumes safe and expressive on camera. Use natural light when possible and schedule golden hour shots for warmer tones and contrast. Capture character close-ups at 50mm for facial detail and wide shots in 16:9 framing for environment context. Record ambient room tone for 5 to 10 seconds to aid clean audio editing later. Edit to a tight pace and remove slow moments to keep viewers engaged. Aim for a typical video length of 6 to 8 minutes for retention and monetization benefits. Add a 3-second branded intro and a clear end screen with a subscribe call to action. Color grade for consistent Yeti tones and mix audio so dialogue sits around -6 dB RMS. Optimize titles with keywords and schedule a premiere to maximize launch engagement with live chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.